Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to install Traffic Radar hacked version for free. First I am showing you my hacked Traffic Radar. You can take anything with free. So first I am showing the Traffic Radar. It is loading. Come fast. Oh, it's loading. Look at my bike. Look at my gold and everything. Gold and ruby. Whoa. Harley Davidson Ford. Ah, look. The lastest bike in this Traffic Radar. Look, I'm unlocking. Look, I can unlock anything. Upgrades. Look, any paints. Look. Now I am going to ride my bike. I'll show you. Look. Look at my bike. Wow, what a handsome. So, come to home. This is not cheating like YouTube channels showing that they will hack another way and showing to you another way. Look at my level. My level is equal to 5 and my grade is B plus. Look at. Now I will show you how to hack. Come here and go to Google Chrome or your favorite website and type it is very slow. Okay, come type Happy Mood. Here Happy Mood. Take it. Look. Then you want to go to first link Happy Moods 2.1.0 for Android downloads. And download the latest version and click on download. I am already downloaded, so I am not downloading. I am going to it and come to Happy Moods. Oh, what's happened? Come. Oh, it is very slow. And come down. You can download your favorite game from this app. Oh, it is loading. Come down and down. Look at Traffic Radar. Here. Look this. This profile is not count, but I am setting Traffic Radar. I am already installed it. You want to install this first one, not install this or this. If you are installing this one, you have very pain of it. You want to update and you can't get any money or buy. You want to first install this first site. I am already installed. Then when you click here downloads, the downloading app come here and finished will come here. Then I look, installed this much games for hack and install here. Install. I am already installed, but I am already installed. I show you now. I am not installing now. I am going to Traffic Rider. Look at my Traffic Rider. I have already showed you, but one more time I am showing you my Traffic Rider. This is not any fake one. This is original. This is an original one. Oh, waiting. Oh, very slow. Oh, come fast, come fast, come fast. Come fast. Come fast. It is very slow. Look my bike. Look my garage. Look. Look at my bikes. Oh, what a beautiful bikes. This bike is fully upgraded and my favorite paint yellow, and if you like it, so if you like it, please like and subscribe it. Thanks.